Peter Obi arrived Lagos in grand style as he was welcomed massively by Igbo traders as he arrived trade fair in Lagos. Okay, guys, Peter Gregory Obi, alongside Senator Victor Ume, Tony Nwoye, and also Senator Abaribe, arrived the Lagos trade fair market following the recent demolition carried out by the Lagos state government. Okay, guys, Peter Obi was live in Lagos as he was seen on the street and he went to the trade fair where massive demolition has been going on, and most of these people affected are Igbo traders in Lagos. The Lagos state government has released a statement saying that most of these structures are illegal structures and that is why they are being demolished. And now, come to think of it, how can you call a structure an illegal structure? And some of the owners of these buildings has also come out that they have a government approved, like they got government approval before building those structures. And that brings the question, how can a structure be an illegal structure where the government also approved it? This is some of the questions that need to be answered. Peter Obi had a lot to say as he visited the trade fair center. I'll be sharing with you all he had to say. Drop a comment below, tell us about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Now, allow them to move. Hey! All of you are not abiding, hardworking people trying to do your business. We cannot be talking about foreign investors. We're local investors are not protected. We can only bring foreign investors if local investor is protected. One of the houses they destroyed ever. The man's partner with the daughter, he find the investor at his office when he was being destroyed. You think if they go back, they'll come again? No. They won't come back. Everyone foreign investor will protect the local investor. Make the business thrive. What government is supposed to be doing here is coming to support you people. For the market to improve, not to destroy anything. You have taken all these legislators, you have taken it on, all we are feeling. Let there be peace. Let there be reconciliation. Let all the states of Nigeria and everywhere understand that this is time to protect businesses. This is time to support businesses. So I thank all of you for your will, welcoming us here and show you that we must continue or to have a new Nigerian like this. Thank you. Thank you.
You can see their evil work. Their evil agenda against Igbos. See their evil work against Igbos. See it.
Power. Oh my God, you get Igbo.
See the handwork of enemies. Handwork of the enemies to Igbos. Officer, here is Amongo. No parking that side though. Direct them to park here. Where? Here. Yeah. No parking that front.
Wait,
yes. Let them climb now. No parking. No. All of them should
no,
park
this
here.
place is too high for this place.
Others, I mean others. Ikaba miku can also sorry. My motor in there. Tell Oga make Oga park here. Space no dey front.
Wait. Come. Where are we going?
See here now. We don't reach now.
Here with the car?
Yes.
Okay.
We don't reach.
Don't worry. Yes. Come on, stay here. The food, please. Please, the food, shift, please. I beg.
I'm doing special work.
Let them back here and make this nonsense. No, the state of their back.
Okay. They're coming to line up. They line up for what? Let's go this side.
Yes.
That's what.
Can you use this car? Let them back here.
Remove this card. Remove this card.
The enemy of Igbos. Incoming says so. Chief priest.
Yeah, the Gangan chief priest.
Hey, the Ajolu ndị obodo a dị alụ against us. Let them come this side now. Let them come here.
I think the best angle we can get is here. Face this way. Go back.
I move.
Should I make go front?
From here.
Nnabenyi.
Here.
Nnabenyi.
We have other footage. I have other footage from yesterday.
Just move a little bit so that
Backwards.
Okay, just
Move backwards.
One or two representatives of
Engineer.
every other person out of this. You need to drop back. You can get here and here.
Go back.
They want to do special.
That's it. When I went to know,
Yes, but I'll start with one.
Don't make noise. You can't
my position. If you are using for the music cannot to speak.
Can you go back so that you go back? Okay.
Distribution for your welcome, sir.
Hold on, please. Hold on.
You have been here since this morning, going around and seeing things yourself. What is your first observation following the level of destruction?
I think that we are thoroughly shocked by the level of destruction here. And to think also that we were informed that no notice was given, no information, and the fact that this place belongs to the federal government, not the state government. And all the approvals and everything that they were supposed to get, they got it. And so one will need to actually go back and find out the relationship between the state government and the federal government with regard to who owns property, because that's where the key issue is. And now, if they got everything here since 1977, this is 48 years, and nobody from the state government has ever come here only to just wake up one day and come and demolish property. What it tells us is that it is a thoroughly despicable act by the Lagos State